In this video, I'm going to show you how to appeal a Uhmegle ban. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Uhmegle, like most anonymous chat sites, can ban users automatically based on behavior reports, keyword triggers, or IP device patterns. Now, since these bans are often automated, you can attempt to appeal, but you need to do it carefully. So the best way to do this, if I'm head on over to Uhmegle.com. They don't make it easy to find their contact page. So it's basically in terms. So if you go ahead and click onto terms at the bottom of the page here, scroll down again and we're going to find their email address. So here it is here. So contact@Uhmegle.com. Now we want to go ahead and open up our mail and compose a new message. So we need to send this to contact Uhmegle and then with the subject. Now also subject request for ban review / appeal, and then have a message that's going to be similar to this. I hope you're doing well. I recently discovered that I've been banned from the platform, and I believe this may have triggered by mistake or by automated system. I always aim to follow the community rules, and if I did anything that was wrong or different, I sincerely apologize. That was never my intention. So basically, you want to copy something along these lines and put your name at the bottom here and then click send, and then after that give Uhmegle 24 to 48 hours to get back to you to help you with the unbanning process.